Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can scan Instagram QR code. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first thing first, we can go to our profile. You can click on this profile icon on the bottom right. And after you have your profile opened, you can click on share profile. Okay, and this is my Instagram QR code, and if you want to scan Instagram QR code, we just need to click on this icon on the top right. Then you can place your camera to the QR code you want to scan, and after that the Instagram will automatically scan the QR code, and the Instagram will bring you to the Instagram profile you have scanned with the Instagram camera. Alright guys, and that's how we can scan Instagram QR code. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.